Well, it has been quite a year. Uncertainty of a global pandemic, remote learning may be going on in your home now, a tense election less than a month away. Are you stressed? Well, with us now to help us be less stressed is lifestyle expert and founder of thebeautygirl.com, Nicole Pearl. Nicole, you are a consultant and you've already tested these products. Thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Thanks for having me. I'm really excited to help give you some products and tips so you can focus on your self-care, because all that noise out there can really derail you.
Yeah, 2020 has been a doozy. What you got for us? How can we treat ourselves this morning?
Well, the first tip is really about staying calm, cool, and collected, especially if you're working from home. Go ahead and grab a face mask. This is from Strivectin. It's their Super Greens Soother Cooling Gel Mask, and I'm telling you, this is like a green drink for your skin. It instantly cools it. It feels so good. It calms it. It's filled with really good nourishing ingredients like celery plant cells and whole wheat basil.
Oh, wow.
Smells delicious. So you leave it on for 10 minutes and then just relax and unwind while you treat yourself.
Maybe do it in between Zoom calls, huh?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good.
So the next tip is really about drinking up, because I'm talking about water here, but an elevated water. Essentia is an ionized alkaline water, and that's important because it's got a pH of 9.5 or higher, which means it has a really good, clean, smooth taste. It's actually the #1 alkaline water on the market, but what I love is my kids, my family loves it, so when I tell my kids to drink up, they're happy to because they enjoy the taste.
Oh, that's great.
So you stay hydrated and healthy.
Perfect. And what, you've got some hair dye, right?
Yes, because, okay, I don't know about you, but if you're seeing more grays pop up as a result of the pandemic, this is a great, simple solution. It is Christophe Robin Temporary Color Gel. What's so wonderful, it comes with this applicator tool. It's like a toothbrush. So it's a gentle, natural formula. You can apply it to spot treat your grays all over your hair to really get that color back to the state you want it, and it washes out after 7 shampoos. So
back to your March color, your February color. What about, you got a tool that might help us avoid the virus?
Well, so you want to stay hands-free, and this is a really clever tool created by a local Chicagoan, actually. It's called the Hookie. It's a keychain on one end and a tool on the other. It's an antimicrobial silicone, so you can use this to press your elevator buttons if you live in a building, or to open doors, or really it's like your extra finger, and you can be contact-free. And right now, actually, they're doing a code for Fox viewers. If you enter Fox on their website, you will get 25% off.
Whoa, and last but not least, we're running out of time a little bit. The blue light from our devices, we're hearing a lot about this. Now we've got a skincare line to help that with that, right?
That's right, because we're spending on average 12 hours a day in front of our screens, and blue light can damage your skin. It's actually Blue Light Awareness Day, and Good Habit Skincare is a pioneer in this movement. This is a clean skincare brand. Their hero product is the Rescue Me Glow Potion Oil Serum. It's wonderful. It's a 3-in-1, so you get the oil, face serum, and essence in one product, and this will really protect your skin.
All right. Well, thank you so much. And to learn more, follow Nicole on her Instagram, Nicole Pearl Beauty Girl. Thanks again for joining us this morning, Nicole. I'm less stressed out already. All right. Thank you.